take a look at this. Hirotsuji with her newfound confidence. And look at her teammates celebrate after that. UST seems to be giggling here.
Yun ang sasabihin ko nga sana. Remember UST, we would always say that when they go inside the court and they look very happy, that's when they usually play their best. Pero pag yung pagpasok ng court and you can see them, yung ganun, walang communication, smiling, that iba di ba? Since Tabakero time pa yan di ba? That's why they always say to si Tabakero, nakakaloka would always smile, whatever, kung may error man, I don't know, but their demeanor inside the court, they're always parang celebrating. And that's what we're seeing now on the side of USD.
Tabakero, of course, part of that last USD champion team in UAAP season 74.
You had Ging Balse, Venus Bernal.
17-10, the biggest lead held by any team in any set so far here in this ball game.
And the swing of momentum from set to set. Eulalia on the line.
Di Makulangan sets to the left.
And Caballero now celebrating after that quick hit, that open hit.
Look at the way she celebrated after that.
Finally waking up. She really has to wake up.
Vargas. Maybe, siguro nagising si Caballero after getting hit so hard by that ball by Vargas.
Ayoko na nga sa pero talagang that really was a very powerful hit coming from Rosemary Vargas. And also credit Judy. I mean,
Hindi siya nabigla.
Yes, even smiled after that. Sabi niya, nabalik niya. And,
she got back up and positioned herself right after that.
Character. Pangklase, very strong character shown to us by Caballero. And sort of inspired her really, but that goes wide for Judy Caballero. Now more active.
I played volleyball in the summer league before this UAAP season, and I was afraid whenever a huge spiker would direct that ball at me, but Caballero.
And imagine the level of competition in this tournament.
Yeah.
Oh, great save.
Back set here. And easy does it for Maika Morada.
Just making it look so easy. Maika Morada with the push over the blockers of USD.
14-18. Service, Vargas.
And FEU does not want to let go of this one.
6-point lead for the Lady Tigresses. And Maika Ortiz, that's the bad news, is now in the front line for USD. Sabihin ko pa naman sana kanina, now USD can relax. It's Vargas serving for FEU. But of course, Morada in front for FEU.
Celcito Rojas, and that's a violation point for USD. 20-14 is the score, and Coach Ness is not happy.
Malayo pa rin masyado. Outside rows. Tumatakbo, hindi tinitingnan ng pwesto. Okay? May masyado nga nang gigigil. Gusto mo may patay, may baon yung bola. So gawin natin, apply natin. Anong pinapractice natin? Anong galaw ginagawa pinapractice? Yung ganun lang. So titingnan nyo lang kagad. Hindi kasi kayo nag-uusap-usap. Usap-usap kayo. Anin lang, tsaka tayo.
Feel the sense of urgency on the voice of Coach Ness, trying to transfer that mindset to his ladies.
Speaking of Aiza Maizo, here to watch UST. Siguro sabi niya, pwede bang sub?
Aiza Maizo, the #1 scorer in the UAP last season, tallying 283 points.
Morada on that combination play.
And Morada really has the confidence of a grizzled UAAP volleyball veteran. She's one of them in the entire UAAP. And Vargas,
Even from the back row,
nagkahit
scores
siya.
one.
Parang nagulat dun.
Kasi hinabol na lang niya yung third ball and still went for it. And a good decision on her part to go for that spike. Right place. Not very powerful, but at the right spot. So same result, same point.
Is finding the open spot on the defense.
A good decision on the side of UST. Jamie Morado letting that go.
The UST will try to close in and take this third set. Earlier today, De La Salle University picking up win #3, defeating NU in straight sets.
Still unblemished. The record of the DLSU. And if FEU goes on to win this one, same record, diba?
Yes.
Same unblemished record, and that would be really fine going to the Saturday's game between FEU and DLSU.
That will be the second game on Saturday. UE and Adamson University will tangle in the first game. And we did see Coach Ramil De Jesus still scouting this FEU squad a while ago. Good save there by Morada.
Well, USC has to find the point.
Morada sets it to Basas.
Oh,
And that's too wide.
That's right. You know, USD only up by 3 points, but now they make it 4. A more comfortable one going into the final stretch of this set.
Dusaran coming in for Micah Ortiz.
Do serving shores. Let's see how she does this one.
Giselle C to Basas. And a lucky break for her there.
And nobody was there. They were all looking at the ball. Iritsuji a bit late to react on that partially blocked ball.
Tony Basas in her second year as well.
This is a manageable lead for FEU.
Rosemary. Setting left to Reyes.
And Ingrid Reyes, no touch.
And now, Coach Mamon calls for time. Let's listen in on his hug.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo yan eh. Ha? Ba't di mo pinabigyan ng bola to? Itong star player natin ngayon. Nasa zone siya. Okay.
Alam mo yan, Misa.
Yung mga ino-open block na yun, tinatalunan nyo pa, sumasabit eh. Tumama sa net at cover na eh. Umarang yung kamay nyo. Papasok. Pagka pinabitawan, bitawan nyo na. Let's go!
So no wonder Midori Hiritsuji's confidence is on an all-time high.
It's the zone. So she's the it girl for today for Coach Oji Mahamon. So expect Rhea de Maculangan to go to Hiritsuji.
Let's see if they will do just that.
But first of all, they have to have a good first ball because Hiritsuji goes for the quick hit.
And Vargas.
And no blocker at all. Zero blocker for USD, much to the dismay of Coach Oji Mamon.
And we were discussing that in the earlier sets, Mosey.
I thought it was a 7-point lead a while ago.
The biggest by any team so far. DMAC on the attack does not work.
Another chance. And Ingrid Reyes this time wide.
And don't look now, we are tied at 22. And I did say that this was a very important set for both teams.
And look at the decision of Coach Oji Mamon to put in a new player on the open hit. Let's see.
The It Girl unable to get through that double block. They set left. Vargas.
And that goes down the line for Vargas. What a line for FEU.
Let's listen in again on Coach Oji Mamon's huddle.
Bakit magkamali ka? Ayaw mo bigyan. Kasi may size pa tayo dito. Ha? Ano na yun? Yung open na yun, yung blocker naka-pwesto, yung defensa naka-pwesto. Kapag kapag tayo, wala nang talent. Okay? May bakatak tayo.
Galing ka sa kanan. Kapag galing sa kaliwa, sa kanan ka magaling. Ay, come on!
Well, usually, one of the things we notice with a head coach and the veteran players on a team is that the coach is not so hard on the veteran players, expecting na marami na siyang experience, but not in this case, as
That's
we saw
right.
in that huddle. Coach Mamon really barking out instructions to Rhea Di
It
Maculangan.
was a comfortable lead for UST, and suddenly now FEU on top by 1.
Able to overtake this UST squad slowly but surely. Can they complete the comeback? Here we go. Di Maculangan. This is from the back row. Banatikla unable to get it through. Vargas does get it through, and Vargas is popped up.
And UST is back to their old problem, the coverage behind the block. No coverage. Caballero just way out at the back
Lady Tamara.
to run after that ball. So FEU suddenly trying this on set point in this third set.
Hiratsuji.
And
Will this be it for FEU? Yes, it is for FEU. FEU completing this amazing comeback in the third set. Down by 7, able to crawl back up and overtake the Tigresses. They win set number 3, 25-22. There you have the official tally of the first 3 sets. Set number 4 coming up. This is the UAAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament.